Over 2,000 square feet, beautiful and sprawling home that has been fully updated with high-end finishings. A very flexible floor plan with soaring ceilings, lots of plant shelves and natural light. Double-door entryway into home with all-neutral tile, a formal dining room, which could easily be a secondary living space, double French doors to large office and a kitchen right out of a magazine. Massive kitchen island, granite countertops and custom backsplash. The master bedroom is quite large and has a beautiful tub and shower with decorative finishes. 2 guest bedrooms and bath are spacious and in their own wing. The lanai is enclosed and opens out to the oversized, corner lot, backyard which comes complete with 2 large sheds and a pavered patio, perfect for gathering around the fire pit, barbecuing and enjoying the outdoors.